Olivia, take thee, Justin, to be my husband.
I, Olivia, take thee, Justin, to be my husband.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
For richer and for poorer.
For richer and for poor.
In sickness and in health.
Sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
I, Justin, take thee, Olivia, to be my wife.
I, Justin, take thee, Olivia, to be my wife.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better or for worse.
For better or for worse.
For richer and for poorer.
For richer or for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
Years ago, I would have never imagined what my life would be like today. Today is a day we have been talking about for what seems like forever. You've changed me in so many positive ways to become who I am now. You are such an amazing, inspirational man who impacts everyone around you.
Past 2 years, I have stayed up sleepless nights, spent hours and hours every day. Every day you go to work, come home, and I hear and see the dedication you have to the children that aren't even yours, and so I can't even imagine the love that you'll give to ours.
Two worlds collided. I see forever in.
I love your sense of humor sometimes, and you can make me smile like no one can. We have spent so much time together on new adventures and new experiences. My favorite adventure was one of the first times we went four-wheeling behind the Newfoundland.
I can't believe we made it here. Now I promise you
I didn't think that anything would replace the feeling that I felt when we were able to kiss in front of the Disney World castle, Cinderella Castle. But I must say, Olivia, you asked me to cry, and I did, because that was 1,000 times better.
I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life with you. You're going to be an amazing father, considering how you are with our current four-legged baby. Thank you, Jay, for being the love of my life and for being willing to deal with my silliness and crankiness for the rest of your life. I love you so much. I promise I will be by your side no matter what for the rest of mine.
You, Justin, take Olivia to be your wedded wife, to build with her a home that is a place of love, happiness, commitment, and growth.
I do.
You, Olivia, take Justin to be your wedded husband, to build with him a home that is a place of love, happiness, commitment, and growth.
I do.
Olivia and Justin, by the power vested in me, by the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, I now can pronounce you husband and wife. Please seal your vows with a kiss. Kiss this beautiful bride, Justin.
What if we walked into the airport and bought a ticket at the counter and just flew?
I only went on 2 high adventure trips. This guy did all of them. He went to all 3 high adventure camps. Definitely one-upped me on that one as well. All through Scouts growing up, you've been definitely better than everybody else. Today is one more day that I get to look up to my younger brother.
Let's drive to Vegas, your old Mercedes. Just wander aimless, take this freeway until it ends. I know I'm crazy, but so are you. Let's drive to Vegas, baby, right now. Let's drive to Vegas.
I've no doubt that they will continue to nurture and cherish their love in the years to come. I hope that they will always find support and understanding in one another, and that their future will be filled with adventures, laughing so hard that you feel like they're going to pee themselves, and love. My wish for Olivia and Justin is that they find fulfillment in life's little moments, they stay connected to one another, and that they remain an example of what true love looks like. So congratulations, Olivia and Justin, and welcome to the first day of the rest of your lives.
Just wander aimless, take this freeway until it ends. I know I'm crazy, but so are you. Let's drive to Vegas, baby, right now.
I just want to wish you guys nothing but happiness. I want to wish you guys nothing but love. I want to challenge you, Justin, to be the man that all 110 of us in this room expect and know you to be, to embrace the role of the leader of your house with a servant leadership mindset, putting Olivia's needs before your own. And Olivia, I challenge you to challenge Justin, to be supportive and to dedicate yourself to him and to the both of you guys and the world that you guys are creating. So, may the two of you guys be in heaven a half hour before the devil knows you're dead. May your only ups and downs in life be in the bedroom. And Stolat!